Everybody, welcome back to another video about Gala token, guys. This video is very special for all Gala token holders because in this video I'm talking about the price of Gala token in 2025. What's the price of Gala token in 2025? Let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so subscribe now my channel for more news and updates videos about Gala token. First of all, very congratulations to all Gala token holders. This unbelievable jump. Very congrats to all Gala token holders. Anyways, guys, other side you can see here there is a price chart of Gala token, and from this chart, guys, you can see here that's clear that every day gradually now they are going to the moon, guys. You can see here going straight, guys. So guys, if they continue this kind of jump, this kind of changes to the end of 2025, so I'm sure that it's the last of 2025 the price of Gala token will be about $50 plus if these kind of changes continue to the last of 2025, guys. $50 plus will be the price of Gala token at the last of 2025. If you agree with me, kindly click like this video and click the subscribe button below for more updates, for more news videos, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.